Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh, one of the co-founders at Bulkpe. We're on the fourth day of our 30-day challenge where Bulkpe will be launching a new feature daily. Today's feature is two-factor authentication. For two-factor authentication, we have chosen Google Authenticator. Now, we had a choice between an SMS-based two-factor authentication and a Google Authenticator. A Google Authenticator we felt is a lot safer than SMS because it generates a two-factor authentication locally, right? So the chances of somebody intercepting the code and getting access to your dashboard, they go down drastically, right? So let's see how to set up two-factor authentication. So you come to the login page of Bulk Pay, you enter your user ID and password, and then you click on sign in. When you sign in, you have to go to settings and then you have to go to securities. On your mobile phone, you need to download Google Authenticator. Then you need to enable two factor authentication. You will be shown a QR code. You need to use your mobile phone. In the Google Authenticator app, there is a plus sign. You click on that, and then there is an option called scan QR code. You scan the QR code, and voila, you have the OTP generator configured in your Google Authenticator app. Now, I need to enter the OTP, which is visible on my app. So I've submitted. That's it. Now, the next time I log in, I enter the username password. I am prompted for a two factor authentication, right? It's available on my Google Authenticator app. I enter, and that's it. I'm able to log in. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Happy banking, everyone.